Yeah, we'll just extend it here and just kind of come in over that one field. I don't want to overfly all of his cattle down there.
Right. All right, I'm holding 1,000.
So we're just kind of extending our downwind just so we can get a turn in here and come in over that field.
All right, so I'll come over to this field, and I'll start my downwind turn there.
That'll work. It'll give us
my base there.
Plenty of time.
That's lots of time. All right, I'm around just under 60. I'm pushing forward a little bit. I have the helipad in sight.
Yep, so we'll just come in directly from here. That way we're not coming over all of his cows.
And I'm starting my descent.
And it'll be just kind of between a normal and steep approach because he does have that little bit of a fence going around it there. On a windier day, you would feel the turbulence coming off of the hill right there.
Right.
So we don't have to worry about that today. Got his flag right there is a good wind indicator also.
I see it.
Obviously, we have plenty of places to go if we had to.
I'm down to 30 knots. I'm lowering my descent rate. Pushing forward. Pushing forward. Adding power, pushing forward. Pushing forward, I'm at ETL. Pushing forward.
So we'll just make sure we hold our little bit of altitude till our tail's clear over this fence.
All right. My butt's over the fence.
All right.
I'm going to call that tail clear.
Looks good.
Adding power.
Predator Tower, Cessna 63902 Golf. Cessna 63902.
Got a light over here.
Yep, you've got little taxi lights all around.
Well, I won't touch down unless you want me to.
Can if you want.
Okay. Touching down. Eyes forward.
Tower, Cessna 902 Golf. We're actually a little more northeast and set up for a straight in if that'll work.
10 mile final.
Touchdown.
Call you
All right.
902 Golf.
So since the winds are calm, what we can do is we'll pick up and just kind of face this little drive here.
Gotcha.
And we can just take off right out that way. That way we're not overflying his cattle again.
All right.
All right. Everything looks good. Little carpet out.
Warning lights off. Gauges are green. Picking up. A little left. Little left. I got taxi lights on all four corners to watch out for, and I got a fence to behind me. Picking up. Little left, little left. My set down was good.
Yeah.
For a strange area. Staring at myself in the reflection. That was weird.
And we'll just do a left pedal turn. And just coming through here, we'll just kind of do more of a max performance.